Imagine a world where luxury meets technology in a way you've never seen before. A yacht so advanced it feels like stepping into the future. What if you could experience a floating palace where every inch of space is tailored to perfection? Welcome aboard the world's most exclusive, futuristic yacht, where reality bends and the impossible becomes possible. The moment you step onto this masterpiece, you're not just boarding a yacht, you're entering a new dimension of luxury. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, the outer hull seems to defy the laws of physics. Crafted from advanced materials, it reflects the ocean's light, almost as if it were an extension of the water itself. As you move through the deck, the first thing you'll notice is the panoramic glass that wraps around, offering you unobstructed views of the horizon, whether it's a vibrant sunset or the vast, endless expansion of the ocean. The design is futuristic, yet elegantly timeless, blending organic curves with a space-age finish. And then the magic happens. As you enter the main living quarters, you're greeted by a world unlike any other. The yacht features a sophisticated, state-of-the-art control center where all functions, from lighting to temperature, are controlled through a gesture or voice command. It's not just a yacht, it's an intelligent, adaptive environment designed to respond to your every need. Picture this: 6 luxurious bedrooms, each designed like a private suite with floor-to-ceiling windows for the best possible views. The walls are made of smart materials that can change color, mood, and ambiance, creating a truly personalized space that evolves with you. But that's not all. At the heart of the yacht is the world-class dining area, an open-air space surrounded by retractable glass walls that seamlessly merge with the ocean. You can dine while watching dolphins race alongside you, or savor a meal as the ship glides past cliffs bathed in golden light. The culinary experience is out of this world, with a kitchen that uses the latest technology, offering everything from exotic dishes to your favorite comfort food, all prepared by top-tier chefs. As for entertainment, it goes beyond what you could imagine. A full immersive virtual reality room lets you explore new destinations, be it the underwater cities or the most exclusive hideaways across the globe, to look like it flows directly into the ocean. In the evening, the yacht transforms into a vibrant, glowing spectacle. Custom lighting patterns illuminate the decks, while a rotating observation lounge gives you a 360-degree view of the stars, allowing you to truly appreciate the vastness of the universe. This isn't just about cruising, it's about living, exploring, and experiencing life in its most extraordinary form. So why settle for ordinary when you could be sailing into the future on a yacht that has no equal?